Alright, welcome back to the show with the worst lighting, worst music, and probably worst presenter on YouTube. And we are down to the last 7 packs of my Sun and Moon box. There's nothing else. Actually, keep the cards in afterwards. So, let's see. I reckon this is going to be one of the remaining ultra rares. So there's the code. Am I right? Oh shit! Because I just finished work, so that's the that's why I'm wearing a shirt. So let's do it the slow way. Okay, Rowlet, good. Drowsy, also good. Cutie Fly, Scammery, Bunsweet, Lightning Energy. It's a Repel. It's a Pelipper. And a Pokeball. Reverse File Canopy. Oh my fucking. Ah. That's really good art. Look at it. I assume that's what the female Arcanines look like. If the camera would do its thing. There it is. Cool. Shiny. Fast Storm for 4 energy and discard 3 fire energy. 190. Man. Okay. That's just pretty. That was pretty. Alright, where's the sleeve? I got one. I got one for that. Good job. Good job, Arcanine. That's your good. That's your good fire dog. Alright. So, this one's from the top, so I am suspecting if this isn't a white card, it means the last white one will be in the middle there somewhere. So, these last 4 packs, 5 packs, oh, there might be another one, okay. 3, 4, 1, 2. Let's see what we get. Zubat. Poplio, Togedemaru, Shower, Makuhita, Fairy Energy, Poliwhirl, whatever that is, Timer Ball, good old reverse form Stoutland, and it's a foil Oranguru. We may have burned out all of our pack luck. Instruct, once during your turn, before you attack you may draw cards until you have 3 cards in your hand. Oh yeah. That's just a basic, so 20 more damage times the amount of bonus attack Pokemon. That's actually a pretty strong attack too. Huh. That's alright. You know what? Have a sleeve. Good job. Good job. Okay. What else have we got? So this will be one of our favourite packs. With the green codes. 4, 1, 2, and we'll just do what I usually do when I get a booster pack. I just go like, yeah. Ah, cool. Ah, yeah, good old Butterfree again. Pretty sure I had one of those before, I think. One of the packs must have been. Must have been. I think it might have even been reverse foil or something. I remember being there, some sort of shine. It's a green. We've got a code there. I'll turn it right way up. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And I'll look at all these guys, just the basics. Ah. First for Marini. God, that fucking. Why? Why make him look like that? So this will be an ultra. And, oh man, I've moved everything around. Go. Because I gotta go out tonight. Getting some stuff ready for. Oh, fuck. That's all the just sank. Getting stuff ready for tomorrow's content. Which will be something a little bit different. Which I hope works out okay. 4, 1, 2. Yeah. Gonna try streaming a bit and then taking the stream videos, cutting it, and yeah, sort of putting it into parts on here. Guess I'll see how that goes. Yeah. Oh god, what are you doing, camera? Good job. Right. Oh. What are they? Skinny. Shad your bag. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Lapras GX. Click, draw 3 cards. Always good to do. This Pokemon can't attack during your next turn, but and your opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed with Ice Beam for 100 damage. That's it. That's all the ultras that we're getting. But I think that was incredibly lucky. Like we go through here, like we had Sungaleo, oh Solgaleo. I keep saying Sungaleo. Yeah. Lunala, Umbreon, Lurantis, Full Art Lily, who's been bought by somebody, so I believe there's a dress in there. And an Espeon. Now, just to add to that. Nice. Alright. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's quite a few actually, man. I didn't think it'd be that good. I thought it would have just had more of the foil rares. Yeah. Well. God. Look what's happening over here. Way out of frame too. Move. God. Whatever. It doesn't matter. Last video. God. Because this is why you watch, right? This is the part. That's it. And just depositing the trash. There's a code for one of these. 3, 4, 1, 2. And all the ones that we've seen already. Reverse 4 turning hammer. Crushing hammer. And lantern. And the last one of this series. Yeah. It's been real. It's been real educational, that is for sure. I've learnt a lot about YouTube and making videos and trying to be, you know, not totally crap, but you know, we'll see how that pays off in the future. Oh god. And you know, Lillipup, Wingull, Snubbull, Cabana, Grass, Steenie, Spinder, Potion, Bubbleyo, and Crabominable. Yeah. That's it. Oh man. Yeah. What a good pack. Couldn't have asked for much more than what I got. Yeah, as you can see, got my green sheet for my green screen for tomorrow's stuff, so yeah, see how that goes. I need to buy something this evening to prop that up behind me, and so you can't see my shitty room with the no wallpaper. See, look at it. There's nothing going on. It's tiny room. But yeah, thanks for watching, and yeah, see ya.